Phaikaham joto takhokte bukhuk songno tini nongni bagui ketal job okhormani obo work interview ongnai College of Fisheries Central Agriculture University Imphal Lembusarao vacancy to bisi kwrui tobor naidi 1st June 2019 o interview ongnai 11 am o norok 11 am ni sikang no thangai bumung rok register khaidi nini post tongo business manager / BM kaisa post no salary inka 1 lakh থেকে 1 lakh 25 belai no kaham no the second inka assistant manager post vacancy bo kaisa no salary inka 70,000 boni bagui qualification nangnai MTech MBA PGDM equivalent master degree in agribusiness finance marketing economics technology etc tei sakani bo same no qualification nangnai takaisanga business executive post vacancy tongo 2 numbers salary inka 30,000 boni bagui qualification nangnai master degree with IP experience MBA MCA BTech equivalent master degree from recognized university tai good verbal and writing communication skills strong literacy in computer MS Office tai internet rok kwrwngkai chanai takaisangka office assistant post vacancy tongo kaisa no salary inka 25,000 boni bagui qualification nangnai graduation in any stream preferable khainai BCom BBA with working experience of accounts and computers including MS Office then takaisangke support staff post vacancy bo kaisa no boni bagui salary inka 15,000 boni bagui qualification nangnai 12 pass ta kaisangka SRF post vacancy kaisa no salary inka 25,000 plus HRA tongnai boni bagui qualification nangnai MSc in microbiology biotechnology life science zoology fisheries and NET/GATE rok tongkhai sao our professional degree holders as MFSC with 4 years tai boni bagui age rok to jene kabang no takaisa angke JRF boni bagui same no salary 25,000 plus HRA qualification same takaisa bo JRF no same vacancy kaisa salary bo same no 25,000 plus same qualification so asik no